Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry has been quite of a long wait, but I am back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 10 in VMware. So first you gotta go here. You gotta go first file and new virtual machine. You should pop up with this, and then you press typical and then press next, and then go to your installer disk image. You press browse. And you go all the way to your Windows 10 ISO, double click that, and press next, and then um you name it whatever you want. You can literally name it Windows 10 your mom. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna name it Windows 10. I'm gonna store it into a virtual disk, and I'm gonna go ahead. Personally I'm gonna put 69.0 because I'm a memer. Press next and customize hardware. And I recommend 4 gigabytes. If you have 8 gigabytes, then I recommend 4. But if you have 16, still recommend 4. I don't even know why I said recommendations if I was just going to say the same thing. But press finish and make sure that's checked, and it's going to create the disk. You just simply wait until it creates the disk, and I'll be back when it creates it. Okay, so when it says to press any key, you have to press any key. It's I'll tell you when not to, but it's going to load up the boot installation. Okay, so it boots up here, and you press next, and then you install now. And press I don't have a product key. If you have a product key, put it in there, but I don't recommend it because you probably would accidentally delete the VM. Press Windows 10 Pro, or you don't really have to place Windows 10 Pro if you want to do home authentication. You can do that, but I'd rather pick Pro. Press next. Press I accept, and then press custom, and then it'll be there. You go. If you want to install another, it's just press new, and then do like half your gigabytes, so like something like 30. But I'm not gonna do that right now, so I'm gonna press cancel, and it should install rather quickly. We'll search for here. You should probably subscribe because I'm a low popular YouTube channel, and I wanna get at least on the YouTube recommendations. So um this subscribing would make that work, and also liking would make the video go on the recommendations. And please turn on that bell so you get notifications on on videos like this, and so you don't have to be bored watching boring videos. I'll get back to you when it's finished. So it will start restarting. So it will start restarting and crap, and when it restarts, do not press any key. When it prompts you with the key, do not press any key. That's if you're in VirtualBox. And so it'll load, and I'll just do this. It'll fix the logo, if sometimes. And it'll get ready. I have quite an outdated ISO file, so that it's gonna be looking different for you guys, probably. Better just wait for it to load. it takes sometimes a while, depends on your computer. Like for me, my computer is good and all, but like it's not good at all too. And so it'll just be getting ready. So this is gonna take so long. I'm gonna keep recording because why not? But like, it's gonna take so long. Oh, and then there it is. Okay. Oh, and then reboot again. I forgot about that. And then it'll do his magic powers again. And it does that again. So it's gonna still take a long time. So dang it. You know. Oh, there it is. And so it's gonna just say just a moment. Maybe you have to wait just a moment. Okay. And press United States if you're United States, but you can literally put like something like Ukraine here or something. Press yes. Press yes if you're in US. Press skip. A lot of this is just out of box experience, so it's literally outside of the box. See what I did there? Um, so just wait for it. It's gonna take a while, but it's not gonna take a while. It's just gonna do this. And then okay, we you got through this part of the setup and crap. If you're on like a OB, if you install it like on a OOBE computer, it's gonna go ahead and do Cortana popping up in the first saying it's just like the Windows B one, and so it's just gonna do pop up with that, saying welcome to Windows, reached out of box experience finally. Uh, if you want to set this for organization, you can. I'm not organization, so I'm gonna set for personal use. And if you don't want to do this, just press offline account. It really wants to. It's begging you. I'm just gonna put this. I'm gonna press next. I'm not gonna put a password for this. And for me, I'm personally gonna delete or not delete, but like have all these, not have all of these. Okay. So we got that, and then I'm just gonna press accept. And then it says let's customize your experience. I'm gonna press skip here so I can have like a minimalistic, but you can do anything if you want. Um, I'm gonna press not now because I kind of don't care about Cortana. And it'll boot up to its little thingy saying it's gonna say let's start after this. I think it's because I think I put minimalistic crap on. It's not gonna go ahead and take so long to do. It depends on your computer for this too, and it possible internet. It depends probably on your internet too. And yeah. It should take several minutes. It should not take several minutes. Didn't run a little reference by accident. Um, yeah. it should say something else from this, but okay, there it is. Right when I say it, you know? Right when I say it. And then this is almost there, and it will say, it should have said, let's start, but, you know, I think that was a previous version. For me, for this for version, I probably have to press update and crap. But, yeah. And also, there's a tool for Windows, just called debloat Windows. Whoops. This is a new one. Experiment search browser. Okay, well, I'm gonna search up debloat Windows 10. I'm just gonna debloat Windows 10 with the GitHub. Press this. This is if you want to go all your way and don't want Microsoft interfering with your system, okay? Which I heavily do not recommend, since Microsoft also gives you this update. Download the latest version if you want to. This PowerShell scripts, but I personally think that's just for like Linux users on Windows. But debloat, you could do that if you want to too. And yeah, there's files. I'm gonna do dark theme here. Yes, and then there it is. You could do boot advanced startup. And I think that's just a boots advanced startup and kind of crap. It's when you have like a problem with your boot, and it restarts the system normally. And yeah, that is not COVID. TM, no, not TM. FYI. First thing I thought I spelled my name last name wrong. Luckily, it did not, because that would have been that would be luck, but it wouldn't be stupid because you know some some people make mistakes in there, but like sometimes it would be yeah. So disable Edge pre-launch. I don't think it pre-launches, but you know you can do that too. Disable memory compression. You can do this. Oh, and it's a PowerShell script, so you have to run with PowerShell. Most of these you should really do, so, if you want to debloat Windows. Yeah. Some of these will be supposedly security risk. But like, what is this? It's a PNG file. I don't know. Like, you can install basic software. Oops. And it'll be just like this, and you just run with PowerShell, you know. And PowerShell will load up all the crap. You should go to scripts if you want to. Yeah, you can remove run drive, optimize Windows Update, like all this. I've never done this before, so this is like what. Yeah. So it's setting it up. It reminds me of Linux. Hint to the next video, which is going to be installing Ubuntu Linux. And I think that just failed. So a file is denied. Um, yeah, he's accessing denied, so that's going to be bad. But this is the end for the video. Um, see you in the next one for installation help and some random content involving like Fortnite, Roblox, Minecraft, and all of that, you name it. So this is my main channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, and all comment and all that crap. So bye.